Have you ever really stopped to wonder just how far your education can take you? Like, literally, where in the world it could lead? Well, today, we're diving into exactly that, exploring where a Cambridge qualification can take you. And trust me, the answer is probably a whole lot bigger than you think.
So just for a second, think about your biggest goals. What's your dream university? The career you're really passionate about? Do you see yourself in London, maybe Boston? Or how about Sydney? The path you're on right now, this is your first step, and it has the power to unlock a future that is truly global.
You know, the best way to think about a Cambridge qualification isn't just as a piece of paper you get at the end. Think of it more like your own personal global passport. Yeah, a document that basically tells the world you're ready for the big leagues.
So what does this passport actually do? Well, it sends a powerful signal to universities everywhere that you've got the skills, the knowledge, and the right mindset to succeed. It's your ticket to getting your application seen and, more importantly, valued, no matter where in the world you decide to apply. Now get ready for a really powerful number. A staggering 95%. 95% of students who take Cambridge International AS and A levels go on to university. That's not just some random statistic. That's solid proof of how well this path really prepares you for that huge next step.
But why is the recognition so strong? What are these top universities really seeing in Cambridge learners? Because it's not just about getting good grades. It's all about the fundamental skills you build along the way. Skills that scream, I'm ready for high-level academic work.
And these are the big four. Universities know that a Cambridge student can think critically, they can do their own independent research, they have a really deep understanding of their subjects, and they know how to tackle tricky problems. And here's the most important part. You're not just memorizing fact, you're learning how to think, and that is a total game changer.
All right, let's get that passport stamped. We're about to take a super quick tour around the globe to see just a few of the places that welcome Cambridge qualifications with open arms. Ready?
First stop, the UK. Now over here, your Cambridge International A levels are seen as equivalent to the local GCE A levels. And that's not just by some universities, but by every single one. So whether you're aiming for Imperial College London, Oxford, or Cambridge, you're starting on a level playing field.
Next up, let's hop across the Atlantic to the USA. Think about the biggest names you can. Harvard, Yale, Princeton. Yep, all the Ivy League universities, plus tons of others all across the country, welcome applications from Cambridge students. They absolutely value the rigor and the depth of your studies. Now, let's head down under to Australia. Universities there widely accept Cambridge qualifications for direct entry. You know what that means? It means you can go smoothly from your A-levels right into an undergraduate course at amazing places like the University of Melbourne or Sydney. No extra hurdles. And now let's look at Asia, which is a total powerhouse of academic excellence. In a super competitive place like Singapore, your qualifications are highly valued by world-leading institutions like the National University of Singapore. We're talking one of the best in Asia and the world. And honestly, we are just scratching the surface here. We're talking about thousands, literally thousands of universities across Europe, Asia, Africa, and the Americas. From Germany to Canada, South Africa to Japan, your Cambridge qualification truly is a global passport.
Okay, so we know the recognition is broad, which is awesome, but let's get real. Just how high can you aim? Let's talk about the absolute top tier of global education.
This isn't just wishful thinking. It's a fact. The curriculum you're studying is specifically designed to get you ready for the toughest academic challenges out there. The world's best universities aren't just open to you. They're actively looking for students with your exact skill set.
I mean, just look at these names. MIT, Oxford, Harvard, Cambridge, Stanford. These are the absolute pinnacle of higher education, and every single one of them accepts Cambridge International A levels.
So all this is super exciting, right? But how do you turn these amazing possibilities into an actual plan? How do you start charting your own course? Well, let's look at the fantastic tool designed to help you do exactly that. This right here is your personal map. The official Cambridge Recognition Database is this searchable tool that lets you explore which universities accept your qualifications, check out their specific entry rules, and even find contact details. It puts all the power of planning right in your hands.
And the process is actually really simple. First, dream big. Pick your ideal course and country. Second, do a little homework by checking that university's website for their specific requirements. And third, use the database to confirm their recognition policy. It's a clear, three-step path to your future. Simple as that.
At the end of the day, it really all boils down to this one idea.
This whole journey is about getting a key that unlocks doors you might not even know are there, creating a whole world of opportunities just for you.
And as you navigate this really exciting path, just remember that having the right support can make all the difference. That's where a platform like Fundoo Tutor comes into play. It's a personalized learning service designed to help students like you succeed in Cambridge, IB, and other international curriculums, giving you expert mentorship and structured support to guide you on your journey.